Peace, love, and life, family. This is Essie the Gardener. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody had a great week. I wanted to bring you guys an unboxing video. I know I love my unboxing. So guess what I got this week, you guys? Let's see. Let's see if I can do this. This is kind of big and it's kind of heavy, so I really can't do the dum 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 the Jaws music. The dum 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 dum. Yes, you guys, I finally got my green stalk, you guys. Y'all probably say Essie is a trip, but yeah, you guys, I got my green stalk. I am so excited. Get my manpower to put it together. I'm gonna bring you guys a finished product and I can't wait to use it. I'm about a little kid in the candy store. Y'all know how that is for gardeners. So yeah, you guys stay tuned. I'll bring you a video back with it all up and put together, and then I need to figure out what I'm gonna put in those 30 slots. So you guys stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, family, it's Essie. I'm back. What I wanted to do is actually show you, I should have just did that from the giddy up, but I wanted to show you everything that came into the box, And so I got my green stalk instructions, and I got a nice, I guess, thank you card, some cute little gardening gloves, and oh snap, wait a minute, you guys. Ooh. I got some chef medley seeds. I should put my glasses on because I really can't see. I wasn't expecting that, but thank you. Thank you, green stalk. Okay, it comes with all the different reservoir water collector trays. Let's see. A how-to and what you can plant card, and let's see, some type of fertilizer. I can't really see it, but it looks like some type of fertilizer. Shoot, I can actually see better on my camera. Yeah, okay, it's a tomato fertilizer. Okay, cool. Thank you. Thank you, green stalk. So they gave me a few little gifts. Okay, so these things are really, really big. Okay. Wow. Yeah, you guys, I definitely gotta bring another video back to you guys on this thing set up, because it really is huge. Look, you guys, that's just one piece. So let me get to stacking it and see how tall it is. Yeah, and bring that video back to you guys, okay? All right, I'll be right back.
It's like it's playtime when it's spray time. In the dance, yeah, they have to take a glance when we step in the room, 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 room. Room, 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 room. Playtime. 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 The mafia. It's like it's playtime when it's spray time. In the dance, yeah, they have to take a glance when we step in the room, 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 room. Got money in my mind. I got pussy shine, credit for my line. And I try, really try, focus on my grind. Why they wanna watch when I ain't got the time? I ain't got the time. Calling me the lyrical one, gangsta, gangsta.
Okay, family, I'm back. Here we go, you guys. So check it out, you guys. I just wanted to assemble it. It's very easy. Very, very easy. But eventually I'm going to have to take it all apart. But it's a 1, 2, 3, you guys. Not hard at all. This top piece is actually the reservoir for the water. And when you start stacking them, you have holes in each one of your bins here. So you want to direct each bin towards the holes, towards where you're going to be planting your fruits or your vegetables. So again, it's a very easy assemble. I love it. I'm probably gonna get another one to put on each side of my yard, where my grow raised beds are. Probably on each side of my trellis. But I've always, excuse me, you guys, I always wanted one of these, and they did have them on sale, and they usually like $160 or so, but I actually got it for $130, and I love it. And you can actually plant 30. You have 30 planters, so you can actually plant 30 different varieties of vegetables, fruits, whatever you want to put in here. And I just love it. It is so cool, you guys. My dog is acting crazy. But yeah, I can't wait to start planting in it. So, you know, you got to get ready to get your soil ready and your amendments, fill them up, and then start planting. So I will definitely bring you guys a video on when I start planting in it. I'm not sure when I'm going to get to it. Maybe start filling it up probably next week. And then maybe in a couple more weeks, I'll start putting some, maybe I may put some starters in half of it. If you guys got any suggestions, I know some of you gardeners have a green stalk. So if you have any suggestions on what I should put in each one of these, please drop me a line. But I might do both. I might do transplants, and I might do seedings as well. So yeah, you guys definitely comment below. Leave me some suggestions on what y'all think I should put in my green stalk. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know a lot of you gardeners want to get one of these, so I'm going to encourage y'all to go get one. I'm probably going to get another one very, very soon. But yeah, I will definitely bring you an update when I start filling her up. And I thank you for watching my channel. This is Essie the Gardener. Peace, love, and light. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification button. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.